As you continue to evaluate the many PhD programs available, you will also want to ask yourself, what kind of faculty do you want? Depending on your career goals, you might want faculty with experience in a particular industry. Alternatively, you may favor a faculty whose members have published extensively. Whatever you are looking for in a faculty, as you narrow down your list, you can start to match faculty credentials against your preferences. How much do you get out of the broader college experience? Direct interaction with fellow students and faculty might be important to you. Similarly, you might have preferences as to a large or small campus. On the other hand, if you are indifferent to the learning environment, you can consider an on-campus or online PhD in math or statistics equally. How important is academic reputation? Going to a brand name college is more important to some people than to others. To learn more about how a school is regarded, check out college guides and rankings and talk to professionals in the field. At the very least, be sure to research accreditation status through the U.S. Department of Education website. How important is academic reputation? Going to a brand name college is more important to some people than to others. To learn more about how a school is regarded, check out the college guides and rankings and talk to professionals in the field. At the very least, be sure to research accreditation status through the U.S. Department of Education website. How do your academic credentials stack up? You should do a realistic self-assessment of your prior grades and test scores. Don't be afraid to aim high with at least one of your applications, but you should primarily target graduate schools that are likely to accept you. By the time you work through the answers to all these questions about yourself, you may find that it has significantly narrowed down your list of possible schools and simplified your decision considerably. After all, applying to PhD programs can be time-consuming, and there is generally a cost involved. Therefore, it's a good idea to focus your resources of time and money on the programs that are best fits for your needs, preferences, and abilities. As soon as you've identified the schools you plan to apply to, visit their websites to learn about their application procedures and requirements. Make a list of the relevant deadlines and materials needed. Some of these materials may include transcripts from prior schools or other proof of academic credentials, scores from standardized tests, such as the Graduate Record Exam, GRE, an essay or other personal statement, bibliography of research papers or published works, if any, and letters of recommendation. Some of these things can take a while to get ready, so it's a best practice to work backward from the deadlines and create a work plan for yourself that allows you to complete all the application requirements ahead of schedule. Earning a PhD in mathematics or statistics is an impressive achievement, but it is ultimately just a stepping stone toward a career in the field. Along with pursuing your doctorate, there are some other things you can do to further your career, both before, during, and after your PhD studies. Look into organizations dedicated to the study and practice of mathematics and statistics. These can help you make contacts, identify career opportunities, or find internships and scholarships that could assist your studies. Read up on developments in the field. This is a habit you should get into as a student and continue throughout your career. Seek opportunities to get articles and papers published. A good way to start is to take secondary credit by assisting in the preparation of such writings by someone who already has a reputation in the field. Gain experience wherever you can via internships and summer jobs relevant to the field. These look good on a resume and also help you start to build a network of career contacts. A PhD in mathematics has such broad range of applications that it is almost like holding a master key capable of unlocking a great many doors. Your job now is to obtain that key by earning your doctorate degree and to choose which career doors you want to open.
Visit Worldwide Learn for all of your education resource needs.